Hey, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I want to show you how to reset all settings in order to fix Apple Pay payments. So let's open settings on your iPhone and you want to select section General. Now scroll until you see option Transfer or Reset iPhone and select the reset option at the bottom side of your screen, and from the list of options you want to select Reset All Settings. So after it, your iPhone settings will be restored to the factory defaults. This will include Wi-Fi passwords and of course your Apple Pay cards. But your personal data and media and of course applications will not be deleted, so do not worry about that. The thing is that you will need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords and re-add any payment cards to your Apple Pay after you reset all your settings on your iPhone. So that's it. I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.